Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Welcome to our video where we'll be diving deep into the world of availability and reliability metrics. These two often interchanged terms are vital in measuring equipment uptime in your facility. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand their unique definitions, but also learn practical steps to improve these metrics. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, stick around to boost your team's performance ability. Now let's get into it. Availability and reliability metrics. What's the difference? Simply put, availability measures if a piece of equipment is ready to be operated when needed, while reliability determines the ability of that equipment to perform its intended function without failure for a specific period. These two metrics offer different perspectives on a plant's performance ability. Availability, also known as operational availability, is the percentage of time that an asset is operating compared to its total scheduled operation time. In simpler terms, it's the duration of time that a plant or particular equipment can perform its intended tasks. You calculate availability by dividing the actual operation time by the total scheduled operation time. The goal is to have your assets as close to 100% availability as possible. So, how can you improve your equipment's availability? Here are 6 steps to get you started. First, measure your current availability. Determine how many hours out of your scheduled time your equipment is in operation, and render that as a percentage. Second, determine your achievable availability. This is how much availability your equipment would have if limiting factors such as manpower, spare parts, and maintenance practices were handled perfectly. Third, update your operational practices. Most limitations on equipment availability come from operational procedures, not maintenance practices. Fourth, implement effective preventive maintenance practices. Maintenance still plays a vital role in availability. Fifth, improve your scheduling practices. Efficient scheduling is key to eliminating logistical delays. Lastly, implement predictive maintenance. This uses sensors to monitor assets and predict when important preventive maintenance tasks are needed based on your equipment's needs. Next, we have reliability. It quantifies the likelihood of equipment to operate as intended without disruptions or downtime. In other words, reliability is the probability of success and the dependability of an asset to continuously be operational without failures for a period of time. Reliability can be measured using the mean time between failure metric or its inverse, the failure rate. The mean time between failure quantifies the average duration that an asset operates as intended without failures. And how can you improve reliability? Here are 6 steps to guide you. First, collect data on equipment, health, and failure modes. Second, perform failure mode and effects analysis on critical assets. Third, prioritize your preventive maintenance tasks. Fourth, optimize your maintenance, repair, and operations inventory management. Fifth, train your team in best practices. And lastly, focus on continuous improvement. Remember, a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can help you track the condition of your equipment, log work orders, and generate reports that will help you in the process of continuous improvement. The relationship between availability and reliability is usually symbiotic. An increase in reliability often translates to an increase in availability. However, both metrics can produce different results. For instance, you might have a highly available machine that is not reliable, or vice versa. In conclusion, as you focus on improving both availability and reliability in your facility, you'll help improve the overall quality and effectiveness of your processes. You'll see fewer defects, more productivity, and greater profitability in your facility. And that's a win for everyone involved. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful. Today, we've learned about the importance of availability and reliability metrics and how to improve them. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how Upkeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, visit us at upkeep.com. Remember, continuous improvement is key to success. See you in the next video.